If you're like me, you have an inbox that is overflowing with garbage you have no interest in reading. The first method is to block a specific sender. To do that, you can click on an email. Then on the right hand side, you're going to find the triple dot menu or the ellipses menu. Click on that and then click on block. It will give you a confirmation box. Click block, and that will block all future messages coming from this sender, and they will automatically go to your spam folder. The second method is to unsubscribe or possibly report them as spam. To do this, you highlight over the message, then you click the unsubscribe button, and this will use the Gmail's features to send a signal to the sender that you want to unsubscribe from their emails. So clicking unsubscribe will put them on the unsubscribe list. If you think the message is malicious, you can click the triple dot menu and then select report as spam or report as phishing, but you really only want to do that if you think the sender is acting in bad faith. The third method, which is a little bit more advanced, is to use the filter feature to automatically delete messages. To do that, click on the message, click on the ellipses menu, and then click filter messages like this. From here you see Gmail will filter all of the messages similar to this. Usually it does it by the sender or by the subject. From here you have options of what to do with the message when these come in. From here I'm going to select delete it. Deleting it means that it will just automatically get deleted. I will never even see the message. Another option here is also apply filter to matching conversations. This will also delete all of the messages in my inbox that match this filter. So I click create filter. All of these messages are removed from my inbox and moved to my deleted folder. If you need to manage your filters, you can click on the settings icon, select see all setting, move over to your filter and blocked addresses. From here you can delete your filters if you created one by accident. So that's 3 ways to keep your inbox clean automatically. Thanks for watching.